smallpox?
That's ridiculous.
Oh, silly.
Unity means uniting all the communities together into one big family. Yay, big smile. And supporting each other.
Really sort of nuzzle in there. And then now we're hugging really firmly. But we've already figured all the rest out, right? Right?
Oh, I love that this is my very first experience. And so far, everybody is so lovely, loving, and inspiring. Oh my goodness. I'm ready to get into it.
Will you come back again next year?
I will most certainly, yes.
Sweet.
Very cool.
Unity is all about community. When I come here, last year was my first year teaching here, and I come here and I ease in slowly because I want to take the time to meet every single face and say hello and catch up. It means so much to me. It's a huge privilege to be here. I have community here like I've never had it in my life, and I feel so at home.
Hey, what time is it, guys?
I'm making salad and steak.
Yum! Yummy, yummy.
You have to cut that off, okay?
Going!
Lock out, Roz. Straight legs.
Here we go.
So, what's the best part about Unity?
Not falling. And the little guy's basing me. It's great. And front tuck. Okay, I'll go back to my music.
I think the best part of the Unity is just how willing everybody is to play together, eat together, live in the same space, be together, and it's my favorite part about this whole festival.
Are you coming back?
Every year for the rest of my life.
Hi. Hi, I'm eating an apple. Hi, I'm eating... What's that fuzzy thing?
I'm eating her Reese's Pieces.
What? No.
What do you love about Unity?
That I'm not always on camera. The cuddle puddles. Nothing better than the cuddle puddles.
I love the fact that Unity is in this beautiful location. I mean, look at it out here. It's like perfect morning. It was quiet and calm, and the air was clean, and you wake up and you're surrounded with all your favorite friends.
What does Unity mean to you?
Togetherness. Union.
The people.
The people, the connection, the relationships.
You asked me to use the Batman voice.
So, what about Unity do you love?
I know, Unity's about, it's about finding the people and connecting to the broader community. And
I think it's really nice to spend like a saturated amount of time with people that you're training with, because you learn things outside of their acro practice. You learn like who they are and their personality, and you get to know them on a deeper level, and then that connection like moves forward into your practice.
I roll through, one leg goes bent, one stands. I have great support here, and I finish as if I'm on stage at a prima ballerina roll.
This is my first Unity, and I think that for me it's cool because with other day festivals you kind of go home and you lose a part of that spark and that energy until the next morning when you hope to rekindle it. But with this, that whole energy kind of stays together with the community that's here, so it's really nice.
There's like an inconsistency in how the hip is locked, so what it feels for me, the sensation, which is not helpful.
Yeah, so this is my first Unity, and I think it's just a really awesome coming together of a whole bunch of people who have similar interests and similar lifestyles, and just being able to all be in the same place at the same time and sharing everyone's experiences and just uniting.
Will you come back to Unity next year?
Hell yeah, I'll come back next year.
Unity for me is family and like just reconnecting, getting back in nature, and just enjoying each other's presence.
Hey, what are we doing?
We're going swimming!
Yay!
Yay!